Surprise! I'm going to teach you one more. So, just to go over, you're going to remember the blossom. You're going to remember the cambray. Say these with me. Blossom.
Blossom.
Cambray.
Cambray.
Cambray. Yep. And you go, don't move your hips. Remember, it's from the waist up, not... No. Okay, Carter, I get it.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I see the Carter now. Okay.
And then we have our twisties. Yeah. Now, there are different variations of these. I just taught her 3, but now we're going to do a bonus round just because I think it's going to be funny to watch you try this.
Lay it on me.
Lay it on me.
Lay down. I was twisting your butthole.
Are you ready?
I was doing this and you're like... Okay, follow
That's how much I like
Hey, girl. You're weird. I smell like cabbage soup. Okay, now
Alright, come here. So we're going to start in 5th position. Or if you want to, if this is easy for you to start in first, we'll do that. And we're facing our corner again.
Just tell me what position to start.
So I'm going to do in 5th. If you think it's easier in first, go for it. So go 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll time do 1. We're going to lunge down, a complete 2. Wrong arm.
Wrong arm?
Yeah.
What? So you gotta stop teaching me bad things. Because then I hold on to it and it's hard for me to break
so
them.
This arm. We didn't get far, so you're good. This arm. And you'll always know, because it's opposite of this leg that's in front, so balance.
Oh,
remember I taught you? Yeah. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll tom do 1, tom do back, and we start to lunge 2. We come back 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay.
No, I'm not ready. It's like go. Okay.
Here we go.
Arr, arr.
And the bigger the lunge, like the cooler, but you see the plies? Yeah.
You're making it look like I can do it, then I know I'm gonna break something. Okay.
You got this, okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, time do 1.
No.
Down 2, 3, 3, transfer. You see how I moved it? With my arms.
Hold on, let me see how you hold your foot. Okay.
So I'm here, and I curl my toe under to come here. Now I'm transferring my weight. I'm pushing. I'm pushing it. Did you hear how I was going?
Okay, like this.
So come watch me one time. Come sit right there.
Yes.
Just because this might actually help you.
Yeah.
So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Turn, do 1. And you see how I kind of like lifted? Yeah. Again, if we were on hardwood, you could slide.
Okay.
But you always want to be lifted. 1 and 2. Transfers 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Transfer 3 around 4 and 5 and 6. Cool?
Yeah.
We'll do it a little faster so that way you're not dying.
What? Faster.
Yeah, we'll just do one side.
Okay.
What's your favorite side? The side you just learned?
Girl, I'm learning it. We can do all 5 sides. I don't care. I'm trying to learn here, okay? Okay.
All 5 sides. Science. We're 3-dimensional figures.
Hold the bum in.
6. Just counting 7, 8. There we go. 1. Lunge 2. Transfer 3. And 4. 5. 6. Hold 7. 8. Cool. And then we can do it again if we wanted. Yeah? So start right here.
Okay, you watch me. So you can tell me what I'm doing wrong.
Alright, here we go. Right leg front. 6, 7,
Oh, wait.
8. And Tanya back. Down.
Yeah.
Keep going, Avatar.
You're such encouragement. You're like just okay.
And you move really pretty, but because ballet is so rigid and stuff, I mean, technically you're doing it wrong. No, you move really pretty. Please tell her she moves pretty.
But then we're not squatters.
Yeah, we're not squatters. But the thing you're messing up is your hips.
Okay,
I will
so
say that. You're going like
Okay.
this. And that's why this is wanting to do all this stuff instead of going down and just having this arm.
Okay, hold on. I put the down
So you're
here.
here, you're plie.
Okay.
Plie.
Okay.
And you're kind of contracted, meaning you're curving this, and your arms are in fifth. This arm is going to go this way, and this one's going to go down to bring you around and up. Cool, so this one comes around and switches. Cool?
Like,
Yes. So yeah, it'll bring you around here, and you're following it with your head.
okay.
And once it gets about here, this one's starting to come up.
One time. Let's try it with music.
And then I'll do it with you. It's hard, right?
By myself?
This is a workout. No, I'll do it right here off camera.
So by myself.
Yeah. Come over here.
Oh, I'm embarrassing me.
It's technically not by yourself.
So it goes 1, 2.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here he goes. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. Start over. Scratch. 5. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7. Big beach ball. 8. Back 1. Lunge 2. So now we're going in a diagonal line with our leg. 2. Come back. 3, 4. Go side. 5. Back. 6. Up. 7. And 8. And then we should have time to do it again if you want. Cool?
Mm-hmm.
It's a wild time, I know.
I like it.
Are your knees feel okay?
Yeah.
I want to make sure because my right knee is kind of feeling dodgy. It's like, in. Starting first preparatory. Yeah. Here you go. And 6, 7, 8. Undo 1. Lunge 2. Plie 3. 4. Transfer your weight. 5, 6. Up 7. 5th, 8. Time you guard 1. And 2. 3. 4. Transfer your weight. You're not bleeding. Did you get stuck?
Lord Jesus.